Hey everyone, Ian from Mako Create, and I just thought I'd do a quick little video, being as though I'm right here at Runcorn Library now. So if anybody's never been, this is what the venue looks like from the outside. You can see there's plenty of parking up there for free for, I think it's 3 hours. So if you want to park in the public car park up there, come down these steps, and then there is the main entrance, and then that is kind of the high street up that way. So if anybody's unsure about the venue, here you are, and I'll take you inside right now. So once you've come in, then just head through these doors, and there you can see there's the fantastic library. At the moment we are all COVID safe, so there's just a check-in QR thing over there and some hand sanitizer. But once you've done all that, just come into the venue and I'll take you in.